guess the next thing to start on is the wiring kit. Alright, let's see what we got. One of these is supposed to be a radio harness for Harley Davidson. RY Harness HD, the Harley Davidson radio for this year model or this series. This is a plug and play module that comes out. It actually gives you RCAs, which is really cool. It gives you speaker leads that you can put into, it looks like you can put it into a plug or swap plugs out. You got a battery negative, battery positive, and I think here's your remote turn on right here. These are if you have another accessory or a DSP or some sort of signal processor, you can use that to power it up. This, you unplug your factory harness from the back of the radio. This plugs into there. Your factory harness plugs into there. You should be good to go. This is a line output converter. All you do is you plug this in here. This one plugs in right there. This one plugs in over here. And now you have RCA outputs to your amplifier. This is the DS18 RY Kit 8 HD. Kit 8 is 8 gauge wire. Runs from your battery up to your amplifier. Pretty nifty. Oh, nice soft wire. That's nice. I like this because they put the expandable wire loom on it. Nice quality. The other thing is, this is your remote turn on that can go, if you don't get this harness, you can use this as well. But it even comes with the Allen key that attaches. So if you need to replace the two fuses, it's got two 30 amp fuses, so that's 60 amps, but they lock down. Weather pack, so it's got a rubber seal or a silicone seal, sealed off. Battery, obviously, up to your amplifier, and they give you 8 gauge ground. Right. Obviously the battery goes here. I took it out earlier because I have to clean all this rat's nest up. God, what a mess. What a mess, what a mess, what a mess. Alright. This obviously has a screw hole. You can put it in there. I'll probably wire tie it to something. Chances are what I'm going to do is tuck this back down in here and then just let's route this underneath that wire loom. Like so. Actually, I think I'm going to do that with both sides. That looked like a good place to put it. Nice flexible wire, I love it. Looks like that's good quality wire too. It's not, looks like it's got a lot of strands. That'll go around. This will come back to the battery. looks like it goes right up into here, comes out the front. Let's see how easy that is. All right, yep, there's a channel that this runs up right here. We're going to do the same thing to the ground. This is the power wire that I ran. Here's your factory harness. This is some of the wiring that somebody else put in for these lights. Basically what I do is I run it and just go up under here, and then it comes right out in the front fairing. So what we're going to do is just put it right in there on top of this one and bring it out the front. If y'all can see in there, it's kind of hard to see down inside this hole here. There's your, it comes right out this hole here, and we just feed it through. So I'll take that, grab the cable. Nope, it's stuck on something. Oh, it's stuck on the bracket. And right through. Easy. Alright, and then this one here. Like I said, it's gonna run. I'm gonna put it underneath that. And then it's just going to sit on top of this. Run it through. Here is your fuse holder. Right here, I just kind of tucked it for now. Leave myself a little bit of slack down in here. Here is the power side, and over here, where'd it go? Did I move it? Ah, down here. And there's your ground. Here's the plug and play harness and the line output converter for the amp. Let's see what we can do here. Here's the harness I was telling you about. It's got a little clip right here you push in, and then your little lever pulls down. A lot of European cars have things like this. Volvo, Volkswagen, Porsche, BMW, Audi. They all have this type of plug. You unplug it. Your new plug. This one, like I said, just plugs straight in here. If I plug it in right. And then, you've never seen it work. This tab and this tab go into this connector. And then as you lift it up, it pulls tight, locks it into place, and weather resistant too. Alright, let's go ahead and plug in our line output converter. Basically, it's, you got a 8-pin and a 10-pin. You can only plug it in one way. Kind of idiot proof. But knowing me, I could mess it up. Alright. Alright, so we're in there. Make sure, tug on them, make sure they're in there. Fold that out of the way. We got one other part we're putting in here that I might as well go ahead and do now. And it's in this little bag. He bought a CarPlay adapter. Supposedly, this is so it can be hooked up wirelessly and you don't need the cord. Basically, that's all it is. It's just a jumper. Wish my eyeballs deceive me. I can't see what two pins they are, but it's just jumpering two of the pins together. And it's going to go in this white harness here, white plug or gray plug, gray harness. All you do is unplug the cap. It only goes in one way. And that's it. Supposedly this gives them wireless CarPlay. Alright, I guess the first thing I do, let's get this flipped around and get this plugged in, because that has to reach there no matter what. In, done. There we go. Now I got to figure out how to secure that. Do that, and then that'll plug back, hopefully plug back into the headlight somewhere. Bracket's not quite 100% dry yet. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this side off because I'm gonna need it off for the other. Y'all don't really need to see that again. It's kind of cool that they have their own bags. I'm sure we paid for that. Oh, look. A lanyard. I hope John doesn't see this because I may keep it. And it's a rubber ducky with some big ears. Look at that. It's kind of spiffy. What the heck is that? Some sort of tracker? Huh.